How to play Valorant on Chromebook. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about playing the Valorant on the Chromebook, so let's get started. Firstly, launch your preferred web browser on your Chromebook and in the search bar type in Valorant and hit enter. Your search results will display various options, but what you're looking for is the official Valorant website. So once you've located the official website, click on the play for free option, which is highlighted in red color. Now, depending on whether you already have a Riot account or not, your next steps will vary. If you possess a Riot account, simply click on the sign in button and proceed to enter your username and the password. However, if you do not have an account yet, click on make one to begin the account creation process. Upon clicking on make one, you will be directed to a new page where you will need to set up your account. Provide your email address to create an account. Alternatively, if you prefer to utilize another existing account such as Facebook or Gmail, you can opt for that method too. Once you've completed this step, click on the arrow button to finalize the account creation process, and congratulations, your Valorant account is now successfully set up. Now you can begin playing Valorant on your Chromebook. So I hope these instructions were clear and helpful for you. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel for more significant tutorials and content. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.